Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, you're not. And yes, I am floating around in the pool today because it's hotter than hell. Today we got some clips from the North Carolina trip and our fishing. We also have a clip in there of Aunt Jackie and one of her daily meals. I think you'll be surprised to look at that of what it actually is. So I hope you enjoy it. Take care.
Yeah. How do I know? Like, this thing could pop off my head, you think?
I hope not. That's a big head. It's a little bit enormous. So how do you know that it's not recording? Or don't you?
I don't.
Oh.
I have no idea.
Because remember, last year Larry's was like...
No, Larry said he has different back plates to it. Probably some of them, or maybe, I don't know if they're different in the respect that it's got some sort of vent in it. But if it does, then how's that waterproof? How you doing, Jack?
Look, fish.
You mean a puffer fish? They're very cute. Huh? No?
Yeah, they're bad.
All right, here we go. Fishy, fishy, fishy. I have not caught any.
Here.
So I'm in desperate need of just one. Hey, that's big.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. That's not what I wanted.
Here.
Let me see. Yes, that's what I want. You were going to take that for yourself, weren't you?
No, I just ripped it off for you. Big head.
I don't know why you call me big head. You have a bigger head than I
I
have.
don't know. Look at yourself with a camera.
Huh?
Big ass head.
I think next time we're going to put the camera on your head. Huh? Alright. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy! Can I see you?
Probably not unless you turn over there.
Huh? I can see your line though, right?
Yeah, you can see my line.
Can you, like, what does the screen show?
6 minutes, 52 seconds.
Oh. Well, hopefully there's a fish that comes. Probably it'll just get worse, right?
I guess. Looks like between 6 and 8 I'm going through the range.
Another one? How big?
Oh, we can hear you the mile upriver we were. It's not big! Yes, it is big!
Is this good? The same thing's happening again. Terry. I should have hooked it in an eye. Okay. Just make sure it doesn't get hooked up. Right, come on, fishes. Nice. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. A little bit of weight. There's a lot more marsh out here than there is clear stuff. I guess the fish like hiding in that, right?
I think.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Oh! probably tiny. He's not good.
Look at this fucker.
What? Oh shit, two at the same time.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Oh, he just let go. God blast it. I hope it's on the camera. You got it?
Yep.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Yeah.
Was that a pinfish?
Yeah.
Jack, he got one. He got one. Mine wasn't hooked. He let go. You're doing that on purpose. I hear you laughing. Pull it in front of the camera because I don't think the camera did it. It's a good size.
Yeah.
You want to hold your pole?
Nope. Good.
So that's 5 for you. Did you see I got a spore up this to the water and then it just dropped right off?
Close to being white capped at the same time, the way these little waves go.
Yeah. Well, do you want to go closer in
Yeah,
so we don't have as far to go?
Yeah, then maybe we'll get some more sand.
I think Jackie's going in.
Yeah, Larry's in already, I think.
Really? That fast? Yeah, I don't see him out here. Man, he's quick. Do you want to just go in?
Yeah, I don't care.
Well, I didn't catch a fish, but I can fish off the dock.
Or we can just go in closer and see if we can drift towards the dock.
All right.
Who's in it?
I got water in my ear again. All right, now shouldn't we be going this way?
Where? That way?
Yeah.
We're going to, remember we're drifting.
Well, how come Jackie and Larry were able to do it?
They're going straight to the dock. We're not.
But can't we go further in? I'm saying, like, can't we fish like right around?
But we're going to drift hard that way. So if we go in here, we'll drift right in front of the house.
No, we will drift out, won't we? Let me have a little bit of height because my legs aren't very big. Need to go further. It was getting too hard. Every time we would go in, we'd be over there in like 5 minutes.
That last round, we were damn near the jet ski area.
Oh, were you?
Yep. Terry screamed like a little girl, and we came back.
He's such an exaggerator. I had one fish up to the water and then it fell off.
Can we take it off now?
I am. It's giving me a headache. What are you eating, Jack?
Ham sandwich with
with
And
Jewish
how many
pickles.
slices of ham you put on that?
This time it was 11.
Just 11?
And then I ate one. Look at that. Look at that.
That is a sandwich.
It's a good sandwich. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful.
I know, I love the pickles, the wild pickles.
Yes.
You hear the thunder?
What, a ham and cheese sandwich with pickles on it?
Yeah.
What's the heck? No mayo, no garlic whip.
Yeah.
That'll take away from the pickle.
No more fishing.
Yeah.
It almost does look like slate when it hits. It's white. Did you see any lightning bolts?
There's more ham in there if you want some ham.
Oh, I'm quite alright.
More 5 pounds.
My cholesterol.
Hey everybody, have a great day and a good life. Hey everybody, have a great day and a good life.